We're renovating a house, and in our entry hallway, actually the side hallway, not the main entrance, we have a hallway that's 36 inches wide, 38 inches wide, but my wife's trying to keep doors from obtruding into it. Now, we have a couple doors here that can usually remain closed, like there's a bathroom door that we have. Obviously, that can be kept closed. We have a closed closet, and that can be kept closed. Bedroom door can be kept closed most of the time when we're not here. But we had this pantry. There used to be a washer and dryer here, and the door would be left open. It would intrude into the hall. It's a big opening, very big opening, and it would need twin bifold doors, and they're going to stick out into the opening. We were trying to figure out what to do. The contractor, my wife and I, were trying to come up with an answer, and then we realized that this hallway on the left wall is actually over a staircase. We were toying with the idea of doing a barn door on the doorway, but a barn door on the outside would extend into the hallway about 3 inches, which we didn't want to lose the width. So we came up with an idea. So what we did, as we stood here in the doorway, we remembered there is a stairwell under this wall. So we had a hole on the wall, and we moved the door to the inside of the closet. So now it's not in the way of the hall, and when we open it, it disappears over the staircase. We still have to put the floor guide on it, but basically it got it out of the way. We can have my wife's pantry in here, the refrigerator, and it's very possible this door would be open most of the time. So if we had a bifold door here, it would be sticking out here. Now the door just disappears. The only drawback we had was because we did need some support, we can't open it the whole way. So some of it does cover the closet when it's open. There's about 9 inches there, but totally accessible. So just a little different use. Instead of having the bracket out here, we put it in here, and gets the door out of the way, keeps the hallway nice and open, and just a different use for doing a barn door. And here we'll give you a view from over the stairwell. Okay, the door is open right now, and there you go. Now we're closed, and you can see it's pretty much out of the way over the staircase. We have that slot that was cut in the wall to accommodate it. A brace will be put for a guide at the foot, and just a different way of doing things. So, just something you might want to keep in mind if you want to keep things unobtrusive, if you want to keep things out of the way. I know barn doors look cool. We have other barn doors in the house that are being done conventionally, but for this circumstance where we wanted to keep it out of the way, this seemed like a good option.